Who says water needs to be boring, dull, or even tasteless? I'm Brooke with WTI, and I've grown to love this Flask hydrogen water bottle by Purify. I really appreciate that it tastes incredible and there's a notable difference after using it. Also, this is a simple one button for 10 minutes, press twice for 20, or 3 times for its cleaning cycle, making it simple and easy to use. I also like that it's made from BPA-free material. It's easy to fill because of the wide open top, either with filling with distilled, reverse osmosis water or filtered water. And the charge will let you know when it's getting low on battery, but the battery life is very long. So I don't feel like I'm charging this very often. It has 20 full cycles before I need to charge it again. And that's it. It's a great water bottle. It's 12 ounces. It's easy to hold, easy to drink from. I like everything about it. And the bottom has a nice grip. The texture of the outside is awesome. I love it, but that's just my point of view.